All right, beautiful babes, it's your girl, Sweet Angel. Good morning. It's actually Saturday morning, about 11:45, so it's almost afternoon. And I did a sleep test last night with my new Kat Von D Locket foundation. Yes, I slept in it. This is what I look like after sleeping in my makeup. I applied it on yesterday about 5:45, 5:30, somewhere in there. And this is me this morning. So yeah, let's see if I can go. This lighting is so jacked up right now. It's not gonna work. It is not gonna work on that side. So this is it here. So, hey, it holds up pretty good. I mean, I can't say that it would legitimately stay on like while you sleep, but it was not like any major transfer on my pillow, none at all actually, because I don't know how I slept last night, but I slept good. Yes, I did. So I'm saying it's a keeper. It's a keeper, absolutely. So let me get my day started. Yeah, and but yeah, I'm getting ready to get my day started here. Got your favorite video coming up. Yes, designer inspired items. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this face washed off now. Okay, gotta do it. And y'all, let me see if I can turn y'all around so y'all can see some goodies that I got. Yes, I've been shopping with Avon and Amazon. Yes, a few items that I got here in the box. I got a new cutting board with some knives because I needed to get something with some better grip on it for cutting, and this is perfect. Non-slip, whole little set. Check out the link below. It's Amazon. I just got my Avon Face Magics primer. It's the Face Perfector, but it's new packaging and a new bottle, everything. So I'm going to try it out to see if there's any difference in the old one and this one. So that's that. And that's it. That's it. So now, I just wanted to report with you on the foundation, and I am getting ready to do what? Go eat me some breakfast. Yes. So I'll see you on the next one. I'm keeping around the Kat Von D. I'm not tossing it out. It's going to be another backup. The other thing that I'm going to do is put it on and get in the shower and see how it's going to perform under me sweating. Yeah. But other than that, I would like the way that I looked at the end of the day if my face looked anything like it looks now after several hours of sleeping. So I'm out of here, y'all. Thank you so much for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share your girl with your world. And I'll see you in the next one. Boom.